Tens of thousands of households have been left with no electricity in the northern Attica region of Greece. The dense snowfall that hit the area has caused huge problems. Thousands of trees have cracked, and the power blackout has lasted for more than 48 hours.
The situation is getting worse, especially during the night. There is no heating. We all slept near the fireplace.
In some districts, there is no access at all.
We cannot even leave by car because there are fallen trees all over the streets.
Several families abandoned their homes in order to stay with relatives.
There is no electricity and we cannot get food supplies. Moreover, there is no heating, so we have to leave.
The Army, National Electricity Company staff, and hundreds of firefighters have been deployed to the most affected areas. For a second day in a row, firefighters have operated here in the northern Attica. They used chainsaws to cut off the trunks of fallen trees to try to help restore power. In Greece, to cut a damaged tree, you are required to have licenses from 3 public services.
To cut a leaning tree, there should be a license by Tsipras, Prime Minister Mitsotakis, and all the bureaucracy. There is no other way.
The situation is difficult, but the emergency services are working hard to restore power to the residents of the northern Attica region. Michalis Arabatzoglou, Euronews, Athens.